fishes, especially, they consume, when they open their mouth to have their food, and this plastics enter into this micro and nanoplastic enter their body, and which is very fine particle and can't be seen with naked eyes.
Yes.
And they're consumed by the human beings. So what is the implication from health point of view that we are seeing?
Yeah, that's what I need to highlight, that being a coastal countries and having more than, as you said, that more than 7,000 kilometer coastline. So we are kind of mostly depending on seafoods, because most of the coastal people are depending on the seafoods. So seafood has a various characteristics, like we eat fish, which is okay, because microplastics are going to the fish guts, and most of us, when we are eating fish, we are removing the guts. So probably I would say the threat is less, but threat comes when we are consuming the food as like a shellfish, like clams or mussels. These things, when we are consuming the whole bodies, and these animals, these species, they absorb the microplastics directly to their body, because they are filter feeder. So they absorb it directly and it remains in their tissues. So that's how, when we are having it, it directly comes to our body. And in this matter, I would like to highlight that India, actually it was not so bad before, like if you take it 5-6 years back, India was mostly, our ancient people, we were mostly depending on the organic matters. We used to eat in the banana leaf. We used to have our all organic, we used to take our jute bags to the markets. This was India before, but gradually we developed.
So does climate change and fishing, fish movement also has a bearing?
Very good, because very much, because what I see, two things are there. Climate change is related to the temperature. So this temperature is affecting their life, though the fishes have different kind of body temperature goes with up and down the external temperature, but in mammals and others it is different. So if the temperature goes up, the ship sound moves.